Planet Bollywood.
अब वो इतने प्यार से आपको कह रही है कि दिस इज द फ्लेवर ऑफ द सीजन, तो आप सुनोगे मतलब व्हाट इज द फ्लेवर ऑफ द सीजन, करीना?
Well, it's chocolate and brownie. Chocolate brownie flavor. It's combined. Everybody loves Belgian chocolate and everybody loves brownies.
Yeah.
So I think it's both of the world's greatest things rolled into one.
Oh, that is superb. You've already said that somewhere we read a quote that Saif also calls कि आपकी खानदान एक crazy Italian family की तरह है. You know how Italian में you like to eat together.
Yeah, of course.
Isn't it? Is it how it
that?
is?
We are all crazy about it. We are big foodies. I think everybody knows that the entire kind of Kapoor family is just obsessed with food. And we are only discussing कि lunch खत्म होते ही dinner में क्या खा रहे हैं, अच्छा dinner खत्म होते ही तो सुबह नाश्ते में क्या कर रहे हैं. तो I think this is the thing that we are constantly discussing.
आई नो बहुत सारे ब्रेकअप्स, बहुत सारी शादियाँ नहीं चलती है, हो रही है ऐसी इंडस्ट्री में अभी फिलहाल का फेज आई थिंक हैज़ बीन दैट वे. पर मैं ये नहीं कहूँगी एडवाइस, पर मैं चाहती हूँ कि आपका पर्सपेक्टिव क्या है जब सुनती हो खबरें? आपको डर लगता है कभी? यू फील मोर प्रोटेक्टिव कि मैं अपने रिश्ते को उतना ही मैं प्रोटेक्ट करके रखूँ?
I think that of course, you know, breakups are so unfortunate and divorces, it's happening. But I think that, of course, in the industry we keep hearing about it, but I'm sure it's happening all over the world.
बिल्कुल.
But we talk about it because the industry is such an insular industry कि हम लोग we just keep talking about those people. But it's happening everywhere, and I think it's a very individual kind of thing. Why a person breaks up, what is the reason? That is something that is so personal, it's so individual that you can't even say that this is a formula to making it work or this is the way it should work. I just think that there's no particular formula.
No, that I don't think you can have, right? I mean,
in any relationship.
हमें वो पल याद है जब भी आप कॉफी विद करण में गई थी. आई थिंक यू काइंड ऑफ मेड द न्यूज़ बिकॉज ऑफ केमिस्ट्री विद करण एंड द काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर. But I think what is really unfortunate is I think that one bite where you so fondly said कि you know Katrina Kaif, one day I want to dance. Do you think do you feel bad जो हो रहा है रणबीर और कटरीना के साथ?
No, I think that it's a very personal issue. B, I am nobody to comment on something that's happening in somebody else's life.
बिल्कुल.
So I'm not that type. I don't even want to even give any importance to this because it's something so personal that people should respect an actor's privacy.
No, absolutely. Talking about, I completely understand and I agree. The reason I asked you this question also is because I think Katrina, जहाँ पे भी गई है, she's really fond of you. And she always said that she's one person that you've always kind of supported her. That kind of solidarity actresses के अंदर भी बहुत कम होती है industry में.
Of course, that of course, but she's a wonderful girl and a wonderful artist. And I mean, I will, irrespective of anything, I will always wish her well.
As usual, Kareena Kapoor हमेशा है बिंदास and she speaks her mind out. Thank you once again, Kareena.
Thank you.
Rudrani Chopra with camera person Amya Zoom, Mumbai.